even as Christ loves the church, to protect her and care for her for the rest of your lives? Okay, so may dyan ikaw na ambalin ka na? Palinton mo ka na ng imong kagipusuon. Ano ang imong gusto ihambal ka na?
Today, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude, knowing that God's hands has guided me to you. I vow to love you, to choose you, to honor you, to respect you, and to cherish you all the days of my life. I will be your safe place and encourager, your partner in every dream. I vow to pray for you to build our life in faith and guard the love to share with tenderness and devotion. From this day, till my last breath, my heart is bound to be yours.
Marie, do you take Frederick as your own husband, submitting yourself to him as unto the Lord, showing reverence to him as the head of your household for the rest of your lives? So, ambala ka na ang imong kagipusuon.
Ganda. I remember kneeling and praying to God. He sent me a man I always prayed for. A man who is kind, sincere and genuine, and who is afraid to hurt me. And you know what? God was really on my side when He gave me a man, and it's you. A man that showed me the love I dreamed of, the love that I knew I deserved. A man who made me realize na hindi ako mahirap mahalin. Maybe the time na I question my own self. God saw me struggle many times. I lost my trust to people, so He sent me the most amazing man to save me. That after all the traumas, I finally found a man that never fails to make me feel loved, especially on the days I feel like I'm too much to handle. My love, today I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude, knowing that God's hand has guided me to you. You are my answered prayer, my greatest gift. Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God. Your journey is my journey, and your home is my home. From this day forward, there will be no thought I do not walk beside you. I vow to love you in joy and in sorrow, in strength and in weakness, in abundance and in need. I promise to honor you, to respect you, and to cherish you all the days of my life. I will be your safe place when the world is heavy, your encourager when your spirit is weary, your partner in every dream, and your hand to hold in every storm. I will choose you every day, even on the days when it's hard, especially when we are far apart. I will always wait for you until you come home. I I know LDR is hard, but not having you in my life is harder. From this day until my last breath, my heart is bound to yours, and nothing but death will part me to you. Isaiah 16:22. When the time is right, you will make it happen.
Sabay pa ang